Hello friends, I'm Varun Vohra and welcome to my channel IT with Varun Vohra to master the fundamentals. Friends, as we move forward in our ITGC journey, as a part of which I already have over 100 videos related to various control areas across application, server and database layers, with a new video being published every week on my channel. As I say in all my videos, this knowledge is not available in any book or over the web, so please try to understand these concepts thoroughly as they will help you in your career and education. So in continuation of our information security ITGC category, under which we have covered patch management across server and database layer, today we'll learn on how to go about when you identify a deficiency or finding during patch management testing. So today's topic is the next steps when you identify a deficiency or finding during the patch management testing. So first we'll look at what type of findings may result from patch management testing across any layer, server or database. And I've listed the type of findings on the left hand side of the board here.